This dropshipping store made $29,000 in 7 days dropshipping. But here's the crazy part. Not because of some secret product, and it's not because they got lucky. It's because they understood something most dropshippers completely miss. How to combine branding, product selection, and marketing the right way. In this video, I'm going to break down this exact store step by step for a niche dropshipping store called bellsizeactivewear.com. I will show you the products they're selling, how much profit they're making, where their traffic is coming from, and most importantly, how you can apply the same strategy and even create a store just like this. Because once you understand what's really going on behind the scenes, you'll stop guessing and start building a real profitable dropshipping business. So let's get into it. So whether you already know it or not, the Pilates niche has been booming since around 2023. And as you can see from this Google Trends graph, it's a strong indication that selling products in this growing niche like this is a very smart move. But taking it one step further, building a dropshipping brand inside this niche is even a smarter move. Why? Because people in this space are willing to spend money to maintain their health and their lifestyle. And with brands like Alo Yoga, we can clearly see that the sports fashion is no longer limited to gyms or studios. It's becoming part of everyday fashion in the real world. And this is exactly what this store is doing that we are covering today. So bellsizeactivewear.com understood and took advantage of it in a very smart and profitable way. They built a full dropshipping brand by sourcing products from AliExpress and selling them at premium prices under their own brand. Now, how premium are we talking? Well, let's take a look at one of their best selling products. This is a scallop Pilates set, and it's being sold for $119.09. Now, for people who are used to buying from brands like Alo Yoga, this price might actually feel reasonable or even cheap. But here's the crazy part. This is the exact same product on AliExpress. And look at the price. Only $39.24 with free shipping. That means after Shopify fees, this store is making around $76 of profit per sale. And this is exactly what strong branding combined with smart product research can do. Okay, so before we analyze this dropshipping store and understand why it's so successful, let's quickly review it. Right away, we can see the store's logo. It is very clean and minimal, and it really gives a feel of a bigger, well-established brand in this niche. I also like how the menu is organized. Everything is clear, simple, and easy to navigate, and it's very obvious that the main target audience here is women. Another thing I really like is how the store displays its products. When I hover over a product image, it changes to another image showing a different angle or look of the product. And honestly, for fashion stores, I would say this is almost mandatory. It also allows customers to see more of the product without needing to click on it and opening it, which improves the browsing experience and can increase conversions. Now, if we scroll to the bottom of the store, we see the section, Let Customers Speak for Us. This is a great way to build trust. The store is showing real customer reviews, which increases credibility and gives new visitors confidence to make a purchase. So overall, I would say that this store has a very clean and simple design. It doesn't rely on anything too complex, no advanced coding or custom development. Everything here can be built using the Shopify store builder itself, which shows that you don't need to overcomplicate the setup process to create a high converting store. So we reviewed the store and saw the visible data that anyone can see. But now I want to go deeper and understand if this store is actually successful and, more importantly, profitable. Because now we're talking about data that Shopify does not publicly share. Now for this, I'll copy the store URL and paste it into the Zeek store sales tracker. Here I can unlock all of the hidden data about the store. So let's dive in. Right away, I can see something very interesting. This store is very selective with its product lineup. It only has 66 products, yet it generated over 1,700 sales. This is a strong signal. It shows that the store is carefully choosing which products to add instead of just uploading random items. Now, I can also see that the store is using both paid ads and organic traffic. Also, if I find something interesting in this store that I want to replicate, I can even check the store apps they are using and apply similar tools to my own store. But the most important thing to understand here is this. There are two key elements behind this store's success: product selection and marketing strategy. Both are critical. So now let's take a closer look at some of the products, mainly to understand the profitability of this niche, which is Pilates fashion. Let's check out this product, the scallop cross back matching set. I can see it was sold 22 times in the past 30 days, and the selling price is $116.72. Now I'll check on the item finder to source it. And here I can already see several strong matches. But let's go ahead and choose this one. This is the same exact product with multiple color variations. Now, the sourcing price here is $60.70 with free shipping. And another important insight, this store is clearly sourcing products with high customer reviews, and that makes perfect sense. Higher quality products equals fewer returns and fewer unhappy customers. Now let's talk profit. After Shopify fees, this store is making around $52 of profit per sale on this product. And this leads to a very important point. With profit margins like this, it's not surprising that the store is using paid ads, especially meta ads, to drive traffic, because the targeting here is actually very easy. We're talking about Pilates lovers, health-conscious customers, lifestyle-focused buyers. This is very clear and a very defined audience. And more importantly, it's an audience that is willing to spend money on the right product. Think about it like this. Even if the store spends $30 per conversion, which is relatively high, they can still keep around $20 of profit after the sale. And that is why this niche works so well. So if you're looking for a niche with strong margins and the ability to scale using paid ads, the Pilates fashion niche is definitely a very strong option. Now that we understand this niche has strong profit potential, the next step is to understand the best practices for running paid ads in the same niche as the store, the Pilates niche. And for this, I'm going to use the Zeek Ads Spy tool. Because after all, it's not enough to know what products sell. You also need to understand how to market them based on real data and proven success. So for this, I'll open the Zeek Ads Spy, a relatively new tool that takes product research and validation to the next level. Now, if I want to find strong winning ad ideas, I like to start broad. So I'll choose to view ads from all e-commerce channels to get as much data as possible. Next, keywords. This is one of the most important parts because it controls the type of content you'll see. And here, you don't need to overcomplicate things. Just enter your niche name or a specific product you want to explore. So I'll keep it simple and search for the keyword Pilates and hit search. Now I'm going to show you one of the most important techniques for identifying profitable ads and product ideas. I will sort the results by oldest creation date, and here's why. The logic is simple. If an ad has been running for a long time, it tells us something very important. It's profitable. Advertisers don't keep running ads for weeks or months unless they are generating a positive return. So if an ad is still active after a long period, it's a strong signal that it's working. Now, let's take a look at an example. I'll open this ad here. Now, this ad is from a store called Reformly, and it has been running for 84 days. That's way beyond the typical testing phase, which means this ad is very likely profitable. Now, from this ad, I can see that the store is promoting a Pilates board. And this is great insight because if I'm running a Pilates fashion store, this product can be a perfect add-on item, something that can easily increase cart value. Now from here, I can also click on Find a Supplier to source the product and even scan the store that's selling this product to gain more insights and more product opportunities. Another thing I recommend you to do when you find a good advertiser is to search for more ads from this brand by searching the advertiser's name in the Ads Spy. For this example, it's the advertiser's name, Reformly. And once the results are in, you can analyze what other products this store is focusing on and even more importantly, how they are advertising the older ads, what copy, what creative, and what targeting. This way you can create ads for your store based on what has proven to work. And lastly, if you really want to go deeper, you can scan this store using Zeek and uncover even more hidden data like best-selling products, marketing strategy, and overall performance. And this is how you move from guessing to building your marketing strategy based on real proven data. All right, we have some more things to cover in this video, but here is an important insight based on real data. Did you know that most people watching this video are not subscribed to our channel? So if you're one of them, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to use the same product research and validation tools I'm using, you can start using Zeek today. Okay, before we move on to one of the main factors that drives this store's quality and targeted traffic, there's one thing I want to show you, something you can easily implement in your own store, especially if you're running a fashion niche store. Here we can see a tab called Clearance Sale. This is a very strong placement for buyers who are actively looking for deals and bargains. Even though this is a dropshipping store, it creates the feeling of a real retail brand. And that is important because it adds urgency and triggers the fear of missing out. Now, look at this. Some products are marked as out of stock or have a notify me when available option. This is a smart move. It pushes buyers to make faster decisions, and at the same time, it builds the perception that the store has high demand, just like the major brands. This is exactly what you want. To create a store experience that feels active, in demand, and constantly moving. So this is definitely a technique you should test in your own dropshipping store and track the impact it has on your conversions. Now, the last piece we need in order to fully understand the success of this Pilates fashion dropshipping store is their organic social media strategy, which helps them drive high quality traffic to their store completely for free. After reviewing their social channels, one platform stands out more than the others, and that is Instagram. Now, we can see that their regular posts are getting decent engagement, but that's not the real secret here. After a deeper look, I noticed that most of their traffic and engagement is coming from Reels. And more importantly, they're not just posting a few videos and stopping, they are posting consistently, almost every day. And that is exactly what makes the Instagram algorithm push their content to new audiences. Consistency is what drives exposure. Now, there's another powerful element here, the tagged section. In this section, we can see real customers along with micro and mid-level influencers posting content wearing the products and tagging the store. This creates a very strong effect because their followers, who are already interested in Pilates, are now exposed to the brand. And since the audience is highly targeted, the conversion rate can be very high. So when it comes to fashion stores, don't rely only on traditional posting. Think beyond that. One of the biggest strategies you can use is working with influencers. And the good news is you don't need influencers with millions of followers. You can start small. Here are 2 simple ways to do it. First, reach out to micro and medium influencers up to around 50K followers in your niche. You can send them a simple message introducing introducing your store and offering a collaboration. For example, offer them a commission, like 15% per sale, using a unique discount code they can share with their audience. You'll be surprised how many smaller influencers are open to these types of collaborations. It's a win-win situation. Second, and this is something I personally recommend for any store, send an email to your customers around 2 to 3 days after they receive their product. Offer them a small free product in exchange for tagging your store on social media and leaving a review on your store. Once they complete it, you can send them a small gift. For example, something like a Pilates keychain. It's a low-cost item, but highly relevant and valuable to your audience. Now, it might feel like an extra expense, but in reality, this is one of the most powerful ways to build brand credibility, user-generated content, and long-term customer loyalty. And when it comes to conversion rate, nothing works better than real people showing real results. So now you've seen exactly how this niche dropshipping store was able to generate $29,000 in just 7 days. And more importantly, you understand the strategy behind it, from choosing the right niche to building a strong brand, to using smart product selection and marketing. This is what separates average stores from truly profitable ones. Now, here's the important part. Don't just watch this and move on. Take one strategy you learned in this video and start applying it to your own store today. At the end of the day, success in dropshipping doesn't come from watching more videos. It comes from taking action. And if you want to use the exact same tools I use to uncover these products, ads, and hidden store data, you can start using Zeek today and make your decisions based on real data, not guesses. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.